You have tried the apps, the time blocking, the morning routines, maybe the books, deep work, atomic habits, getting things done, and you are still behind. What if the problem was never you? What if productivity, the entire concept, was designed to make you feel like it was? Here's the thing about the productivity myth, and it is a myth. It's not just a set of tips, it's a story. A very specific story about why you are not doing enough. The story goes like this. You are behind because you lack discipline. You haven't found the right system yet. You need better habits. So you buy the planner, you restructure your calendar, you try time blocking for 2 weeks, and it works until it doesn't. And when you fall off, you don't blame the system. You blame yourself. That's the loop, and it's not accidental. The fix yourself loop keeps you focused inward on your habits, your routines, your willpower. It keeps you from looking outward at the structure you are operating inside. Let me give you some context. The word productivity, as we use it today, doesn't have ancient roots. It's not some timeless human value. It was industrialized. Frederick Winslow Taylor, a mechanical engineer, in the late 1800s, developed something called scientific management. The idea: study a worker's every movement, strip it down, make it efficient, maximize output, minimize waste. He literally stood on factory floors with a stopwatch. Now here's what matters. Taylor wasn't trying to help workers feel fulfilled. He was trying to extract more from them for less cost. You didn't adopt a productivity mindset. You were assigned one. The factory is gone, the stopwatch is still running. It's just inside your head now. And the productivity system you are using, the apps, the framework, the deep work sessions, most of them are built on the same foundation. Optimize yourself, output more, justify your existence through efforts. The productivity industry, apps, courses, planner, coaches, is worth roughly around $43 billion globally. And it needs you to feel behind. Not broken, not hopeless, just slightly insufficient. Just behind enough to buy the next system. Think about that. The industry that sells you solutions to your productivity problems profit most when the problem never actually goes away. That's not a conspiracy. That's a business model. There is a concept in sociology called internalized surveillance. You don't need someone standing over you with a clipboard anymore. You have absorbed the role of the manager. You monitor yourself, you evaluate your output, you judge your worth by what you got done today. Feel guilty for resting? That's internalized surveillance. Feeling anxious when you are not being productive? That's internalized surveillance. Feel like leisure only counts if you earned it? You are not lazy, you are surveilled. And the exhausting part, you are doing it to yourself. The system didn't have you to force to optimize. It just had to convince you that optimizing was who you are. So, what do you do with this? I am not telling you to delete your to-do list. Systems aren't the enemies. But there's a difference between a tool you choose and a framework you absorbed. A tool asks, does this serve me? An absorbed framework asks, am I measuring right? The reframe isn't about doing less. It's about changing the question. Instead of how do I become more productive, try what is this productivity system actually for and who does it serve? When you start asking that, you start seeing the system. And once you can see it, you are no longer inside it. That's not a productivity hack. That's something more useful. It's clarity. If this landed, if something here clicked, this channel is built around exactly this kind of thinking. The system we have absorbed, the norms we have mistaken for reality. Subscribe if that's the kind of work you want more. And if you disagree with something here, leave it below. I read everything. See you in the next one.